Ginger. Cut ginger. How much do we need? Just 4 pieces, that's enough. And we do it.
Another yakko. I'm mopping up the baby. Booby. Oh, mama, baby's about to me. I'm mopping up the baby. Booby. No, my mom won't be mad at me. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Oh, my mommy, she's so happy. So happy I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee.
Scallion. Just cut this and this. Get some add part, dry part away. Keep the fresh part. Okay. This one we cut it just a little like this. Cabbage. Yes, cabbage we just cut the sour part. Sour part. Okay. For the cabbage, we actually don't cut it. We just see about straight. We just in the hands to tie this big piece. And just this hard part we want to use it. Like this part, we just throw away. And make fried cabbage. 火爆大头菜。
Here, please go under the table and get the bin. Here, get under the table. No,
So we don't need a light.
I'll put the bin. The bin. Up here. I think it's just worse. I'll get more cleaning up to do. And then here, let me pick up the crayons. I got the. I'll leave them. Here, stop. Stop it, Peter. Let me pick up the crayons. Buy some. I'll pass them over to you to put them in. Here you go. Pass them in and put them in the bucket. There's one. I'll get it. I'll get under the. You can get under the table. Actually, I thought you could do crayons. Actually, I thought I could put the crayons in. Actually, I thought. I got the scissors. I'll go get them. Don't worry, I can get them. Big one. Stop it.
We throw away. We just keep the stems, so we just throw away because it's hard to chew. We keep the fresh part. This is how it turned out. This is the bacon. We use the bacon to cook the cabbage. You can use the bacon without bacon. It's okay. So we use half bacon. No, the rest half we keep it. We keep the bacon. We'll take that back and keep it in the fridge. Just use the other half. Now get the bacon out. So what we do, we just cut this this much long. Let's recut and done. Okay, let's start our cooking. Turn the stove and put the pot on and heat the pot. Right now we turn the temperature to the middle fair, just not too big, not too small, just like this, not too big. Put the whole pot on, heat it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and raise the pot. This is to make sure the pot is have the oil coated, so it's want to sticky when you stir fries. So it won't stick to the food, it won't stick to the pot. So that's why I do that. We can put a little ginger or the green onion to test if the oil is hot. It's hot, it start frying when temperature is in the temperature is same right slightly. So what we do first, we put our bacon to it. Careful. Fry our bacon to get all the pig, the fat from the bacon out. So we use the fat fry the white pig and have a really good strong flavor. Fry the bacon. Try to get all the fat out from the bacon. When the bacon, the fat, most fat is come out from the bacon. And what do? We do next is we turn the heat to the high, to the stove, the fire to the high, and then we add the ginger and the green onion to the ginger. We add to it, and the green onion. Scallion, green onion or scallion, called scallion or green onion, and add to it. We fry it, and let the flavor come out. The green onion and the ginger flavor come out. You can smell the flavor. So what do we do next? Just wait when the garlic and when the green onion or scallion and the ginger flavor come out. The smell come out, And what do? We add the cabbage. The cabbage we just use the hand to cut the pieces and add it to it. And we stir fry it. Now what do you do next? We add some CUMINS. The whole cumin we add a pinch. Yeah, do it. A pinch. And fry it. Add some salt. How much salt? I think is probably half of probably just 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it. Yeah. Usually don't add too much salt. Yeah, because it's too salty. So you add some. You try it if you think your bacon already have salted bacon. So you don't add too much salt, and you try it. If the salt is not enough, you can add later more, or add a little more later. No problem. So what do next? We add some soy sauce, a little soy sauce, probably half tablespoon soy sauce. Add the oyster sauce. We buy the oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir fry. Then we try the veggie. If the veggie becomes soft, then we become cooking. Good. Add a little water, probably 1 tablespoon water to it. Put out the stove. This is how it turned out. Fry the cabbage.